Okay guys, so today I'll be showing you how I process some sounds, a clap, a bassline, a drum loop, and a tone filter in an example track. First of all, the clap. This clap we're using an EQ8. I'm going to cut out some of the low frequencies, high pass. This is full for beginners. I'm going to explain a little bit the Ableton audio effects. This is amp, an amplifier, an audio effect rack. This you can throw some plugins, but today we'll be talking about just of these three basics: EQ, compressor, and reverb, and maybe a little bit about delay. So first of all, the EQ. What is an EQ? An equalizer helps us to put a space in the sound, like to give the sound its own space. So when you have this bunch of sounds in a track or in a mixdown, what it happens it's that everything goes like in palm, and the sounds got like real dirty when some frequencies of this sound and some frequencies of the other sound heat up, and you don't have like its own space. It's like when you're in a classroom and you're in your bench and you're writing some of the teacher's examples of the math class, and here is your partner to the left side of you, and it's like very besting you and throwing up like stupid things, and you're like, damn, I don't want to be here. So it happens the same with the sounds. If you look, I'm going to put these ones without EQ, a clap, and a drum loop. So let's I throw up a spectrum. The spectrum lets us see all the frequency image and all the parameters of this sound. This audio, this drum loop sounds like this, and we can see like it's real bad in a position. This is sounding, but it's peaking a lot. This is like very high and pissing, but this is not like sounding great. This just like, oh, it's dirty and dirty. So let's clean it. We're using first an EQ, cut off some of the bad frequencies. Low pass. This is low pass, or low cut. Some people know it like low cut, but it's low pass. That's the right name. So low pass is like about 70.8 kilohertz. I put up like a big boost, like 15 decibels up, and then I do this with a 7.58 Q. Then where it peaks, there it peaks like horrible. Please slow down your volume in your PC or headphones, because this is gonna hurt. Then we throw out this stuff. I'm going to put it big, as you can see. Then a high boost, and let's see how it looks with the EQ. You look, now it's like in its place without EQ. Oh damn! Did you look? Did you saw that stuff? Damn! It's like so now it's in its place. Then I throw this fucking magic effect called reverb. Reverb, it's like a big echo for those noobs and beginners. It's like an echo, so but it's not an echo. It's a reverb. It creates like a three-dimensional space in the sound. First, 0 on dry wet. I'm going to put it like in 28. Shorter decay time. 814 milliseconds. -4 diffuse. 1.6 in reflect, and no, 10 dry wet. So the same for the clap. A boost in 200 hertz, 200 hertz, like that. And now let's listen it together. I'm going to put them, this is like wet and the dry, the same but without processing. Okay, let's erase this stuff. No process, no process. And dry, clap, and loop. Wet, group. And now let's listen this stuff. Oh damn, it hurts. It really hurts my ears. So look this stuff. Damn, you're going to get impressed with this. Look, it's like pretty clean. We got like this space clean out, this space clean out, and it's just like in its margin. So it's in its lines. So now without the process, in the master. Damn, look, it's like pretty bad. The fuck? Look, like this peak, like this random peak. This shit out of your fucking mix sound. It doesn't matter if you put it like, oh fuck, I make this mix sound like in 10 hours, so damn, no. This, it's like pretty bad stuff. This like little peak, this random peak will fuck out all the mix sound. So look this. So I'm going to show you how I process now the effects like this down filter. So I'm going to throw. I just put an EQ8, clean out all the shit, clean out the bad stuff, a little bit of reverb. And if you want to make it like more impressive, a ping pong delay, short wet, less feedback, 46 feedback, and with this little ball in Ableton you can control the hertz and the Q. That sounds awesome, bro. So listen now. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you how I use compression. So I'm going to use Isotope Zone 8. I don't know if you got it, but if you don't have it, you can buy it or rent to own in Splice. I'm going to let Splice link down here. So this is like our loop sounds without compression, and with compression there will be sounding way better. Way much better, sorry. Okay, let's start. I draw up a compressor, a classic Ableton compressor. Put the threshold down, minus 9 dBs. Here we can see the compression look. Okay, here you can see the peak of the compression. Here you can control the dry, the wet. This is the knee. So knee does that this could be harder or softer. So I'm gonna let it out in default, 6 dBs, and this less. So 8.8 8.68 dBs, minus 8.68 dBs. It's good for me. Radio, a little bit more of radio. I'm gonna put the volume a little bit down. Less attack. And look, now we have the same like volume, but it's less. It's like the same dynamic range, but in a lower volume. So this in a duet, in a full track. Sorry, this will be like more space for the kick, the bass, the snare, the effects, the synth, and the main lead. I don't know what genre do you produce, but I don't know what genre do you produce, but this will be like pretty good for big room, mellow bounce, complextro, dubstep, tech house, techno, minimal, deep house, etc. So there you go. A compressed, awesome clap and drum loop. And that's how I use compressor, reverb and EQ. And there you go. Ciao babies, ciao ciao ciao.